preparations are underway in many of the sites in Ukhrul, whether it's roads, venue, installation, stage. So I feel that 60 to 70% is complete, and now that just 1 week is away, I think the preparations will be hurried up and there will be much more progress by the end of this week. We have spoken to all the organizations and firms involved, and they have assured us that it will be of the highest quality, and the standard will be very high, and we'll make sure that this time whatever they prepare we can be sustainable and can be used later on as well.
Okay.
Secretary Power Sir, Secretary Tourism, Tourism Department की team अमा लागा कोई विजिट खुलदा शिरो Lily Festival की preparation की मतंगदा कोई inspection, joint inspection अमा ngasi चली अदुगा कोई DC का SP का सु अदुगा district administration को खुलगा यारो का सु meeting अदुगा CSOs organizations में आम अदुगा different villages of खुल में आम यारो का सु कोई progress of the preparation की मतंगदा कन्ना वारी सु साने अदुगा site चला का सु yengsan रे अखोई हंदकी मतंग सिदा venues मरी मंगा मुख सुइए अदो अखवाइदगी opening द ओयगदबा अखोई शिरो village की main ground दसु चमिनरुरे अदुगा हुजिकन्ना अखोई preparation से तोबा progress याम फजना चले parking हाना फजना लेरम दबदो हुजिक फजना लेरे अदुगा entry exit की तोंगान बा मफमसु लेरे अदुगा black topping सु कन्ना तौरी अदुगा national highway में आमगी black topping road सेंबा खोटपसु NHIDSCL अदुगा PWD नसु कन्ना मोइगी site दगी होनरी अदुदगी अखोइना पक्षी ग्राउंड दा अखोइगी शिरो फेस्टिवल म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल तौगदबा मफम सिदसु चलुरे अदुगा कन्ना ग्राउंड की डेवलपमेंट तौरी अदुगा हुजिक स्टॉल साबा स्टेज साबगी मतंग योसले अदुगा अखोइना मफम खुदिंग द लाइटिंग सु फजन पीनबा ट्रैफिक की मैनेजमेंट सु फजन लेनबा अखोइगी वॉलंटियर्स सिंगा अदुदगी अखोइगी SP पुरना ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट तौबगी कमाइना तौबा खोट प्रिपरेशंस में हमसे यंगसमिनरे प्रोग्रेस याम फजन चले अदुसु अखोइगी शिरो फेस्टिवल से डेट 20 दा होगदबनिना नुमित तरा भाव फाजलक्तबनिना खरा हेना प्रिपरेशन से थुना लोइसनबा अखोइ कन्ना अखोइगी साइट तगी सु हाइरी अदुगा अखोइ साइट अखोइ टूरिज्म की डिपार्टमेंट तगी सु मतेंग पांगनबा अखोइगी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दा कन्ना कोऑर्डिनेट तंगनरी अदुगी मयामदा अखोइगी शिरो फेस्टिवल से कल्चरल सुयावी अदुदगी म्यूजिक सुयावी अदुदगी डांस म्यूजिक mayam aspects adventure tourism trekking mayam se koi yaubani akoi yamna wholesome oiba yamna hospitality yamna wangba akoi gi Manipur tourism se boost tawna akoi after 2 years akoi gi Manipur sida festival se horakpa sida akoi kanna mayam punna hotnazari aduga mayam gi especially akoi gi public of Ukhrul people of Ukhrul so appeal tawzari akoi gi sigi festival si mapung phanaba hena isa gi site te su contribute tawraga yamna chauna yamna mai pakko henbinaba na mayam su appeal tawzari rare and very beautiful and endangered Shiroi lily which is only found in Ukhrul, and the idea of preserving it, preserve the landscape, preserve the environment in which it grows is how the festival came about. So I think we have to keep in mind that by encouraging tourism, we also don't harm the environment. So we also have to think about how to make it as sustainable as possible. It should be beneficial for the locals, it should be beneficial for the economy, it should be beneficial for the district and for the state, but also at the same time it should bring awareness on how to preserve our culture, how to preserve our environment. And I think the Shiroi Festival is the best way, the way we manage it, the way we organize it, how to make it as sustainable as possible. This time we'll be having as many dustbins in all venues as possible so that people do not litter. I appeal to all visitors and tourists and locals to be very mindful of how they discard their litter. We will be giving adequate dustbins, so please use that. There will be regular garbage collection and we have tied up with DC Ukhrul so that garbage collection is done properly. At the same time, we'll be having many toilets installations in all the venues, and also from the way from Imphal to Ukhrul there will be toilets as well for visitors. So in this way we are trying to make it as sustainable as possible, but we also depend on the people who will come out and who will use them and who will be disciplined and who will make sure that we do not litter the environment where we come to enjoy.